the music supposed to be playing. The volume button works now, so the buttons are working, okay? But as soon as I turn the car in off, it comes on. When I turn the car on again, the audio goes out. So now we need to fix that. Thank you.